Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Translation. I have the very same Gandiva bow, the same arrows, the same chariot drawn by the same horses, and I use them as the same Arjuna, to whom all the kings offered their due respects. But in the absence of Lord Krishna, all of them, at a moment's notice, have become null and void. It is exactly like offering clarified butter on ashes, accumulating money with a magic wand, or sowing seeds on barren land.
The important verse. Tadabhut asad isha riktam. Everything will be null and void when there is no God. That's it. The modern civilization has got everything, but without God consciousness. That any moment it will be finished. There are symptoms, any moment. At the present moment, this godless civilization, as soon as there is declaration of war, the America is prepared to drop atom bomb. Russia is the first nation who will drop the atom bomb, he will be victorious. Nobody will be victorious because both of them are ready to drop. America will be finished and Russia will be finished. That is the position. So, you may make advancement of civilization, scientific improvement, economic development, but if it is godless, at any moment it will be finished. At any moment. Just like Ravan, Hiranyakashipu, they are demons, godless demons. Ravan was a very learned scholar in Vedic knowledge and very powerful materially. He converted his capital with gold, all the buildings and everything. It is supposed that the Ravan brother was a king of on the other side of the globe. So it is my suggestion, I do not say it is very scientific proof. So other side of the globe, Ravan was in Ceylon. And the other side of the globe, if you go by subway, it comes to Brazil. And Brazil is supposed to have gold mines. And it is said in the Ramayana that Ravan's brother was living on the other side of the globe and Ramchandra was taken through the subway. So taking these into consideration, we can suppose that Ravan imported a large quantity of gold from Brazil and he converted them into big houses. So, Ravan was so powerful that he made his capital Swarnalanka, capital made of gold. Just like if a man comes from undeveloped country to your country, New York or any city, when they see the big skyscraper, they become astonished. Although skyscraper buildings are everywhere nowadays, formerly it was very wonderful. So, we can create everything very wonderful. But we can take the example of Ravan. Ravan was very advanced materially, and he had Vedic knowledge sufficiently. He was son of a Brahmana. Everything was there. But the only fault was that he did not care for Rama. That is the only fault. What is Rama? I don't care for it. There is no need of performing yogas and ritualistic ceremony to be promoted to the heavenly kingdom. Ravan said, I shall construct a staircase to go to the moon planet. Why you are trying? In this way, that. I'll do that. Sargeshwari. So, these people are trying like Lavan. But they should take lessons from Lavan that his godlessness made him doomed. Everything he lost. So this instruction, Arjuna, he says that Soham Dhanus ta Ishava. He was defeated by the coward's man. He could not protect the queens of Krishna, and they were taken away by this coward's man. So he is lamenting that I have got this bow and arrow with which I fought in the battlefield of Kurukshetra, and I became victorious. Because Krishna was sitting on my chariot. That is the only reason. Now I have got these bows and arrows, the same bows and arrows with which I fought in the battle of Kurukshetra. But at the present moment there is no Krishna. Therefore it is useless. Isharikta. Asat abhut. Asat means it does not act. It does not exist. So, my bows and arrows are the same. But it is now useless. We should take this lesson that without God, without spirit, this material, I'm going to say, gorgeousness has no value.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,